All right, we got Heather here. We're gonna do a little ABC adjustment. First, we're gonna just kind of relax your muscles with the Genie Rub. Vibration. Release some endorphins. Get some blood flow moving. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Close. All right, so we're gonna check posture. I usually like to do a little bit of a evaluation on the shoulders and neck, just see if they're holding tension there. She said her neck's a little tight. You can feel it. More on the right. Kind of that sternocleidomastoid muscle there. Shake it out. Okay. Let's have you look down at the ground and look straight ahead. So we're just testing the tension in her meninges. And then I'm looking for my thumb to be lower on the left so you can see that one is. So we actually do have to stretch you, Heather. Okay, so we're gonna have to go on your back. So the meningeal release is designed to release scar tissue out of the spinal canal. It looks more intense than it really is, but it actually feels really good. It feels like an extremely deep, like stretch that you just can't do yourself. So we're gonna do an anterior one. That. Strap you in. Bend the knees.
I don't think it's been a while since
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, these will pop up randomly. Once you were getting adjusted a lot more back then too.
Yeah.
Okay, so just let your whole body relax. We're gonna put all the tension in the spine to start. Up there. Stretch. There we go. So I'm holding all that tension in the spine. Breath in, breath out. Just let it all relax. There we go. Nice. That was pretty deep.
Yeah.
So we look up at the ceiling, straight ahead. Now we're even, that's good. To the right, straight. Okay, that one's a little low. So we're gonna do a lateral too. You sit right there.
This?
Just like that, yep. So now we gotta stretch the scar adhesions on the lateral side, on the left lateral side of your spine. So we're going to stretch it to the right of the head. Okay. So let's let your head and body relax. And just let your head fall into the hands. There you go. Perfect. And let it go. Just fall. There we go. That was really good. So you'll notice, I mean, she's already gonna have a bunch of blood flow flying to her cheeks. So that's gonna open up a bunch of circulation. Okay, so we have another one, T2. Go back against here. Do the karate chop first. What have you been up to, Heather, the last 2 months? What have you been doing different?
Well, I started working out a few
I
weeks
was
ago.
gonna say, you're looking healthy, looking more fit.
Yeah.
Any fasting?
Yeah, I was doing a little bit intermittent.
Okay. There we go. Head down, body forward. There you go. Nice.
Edit that one out.
That was really good. Yep, keep doing the red light. Do the full press so you can fit it in, and
I've never tried that.
I'm telling you,
Maybe I should do that today.
I'll throw you in.
Yeah.
it's something that you can't replicate. And then body forward. Just let it go, fall. There you go. Nice. So yeah, she's adjusting really good. Just clicking into place. Okay, so let's have you sit. Feet that way.
I also let go of heavy things that were holding me back.
Really? That's.
The full-time job.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Forgot that you were still doing that, huh?
Yeah. It's been 3 weeks now, I think.
Oh, okay.
I worked a few hours last week there, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Just shedding.
Yeah.
Okay, cross those arms, bring to the lumbar. And just let the belly go. Perfect, real easy. One more. Nice. And then you're back. So with ABC, we like to adjust everything. Ankles, knees, toes, because everything affects everything, right? So why would I neglect the rest of the body? Our feet are really important. Think of your feet as like the bridge of your body support. So we want her toes to move fluidly. We want her arches to be strong. More strong bridges. And if you think about it, when you walk around, you want the force of gravity, your body weight, mechanically transferred efficiently up through your body. From your toe, your big toe, through your ankle, your knee, your hip, back, all the way to your neck. So it makes sense that we want everything aligned and kind of communicating from a neurological standpoint, but also biomechanical standpoint, and then muscular contraction standpoint too. So multiple systems involved. One could argue even immune system, pumping that lymphatic fluid, allowing good lymphatic flow. The only way you could really move lymph is through muscle contraction, unless you have a therapy But that's the one system our body does not have a mechanism to pump. It's just muscle contractions, how you move lymph. Your arteries have your heart.
I noticed since it's darker earlier that I wear glasses when I drive at night, but I noticed I pushed my head forward more. So I'm trying to be cognizant of like, oh, just pull your head.
Just because you're trying to see better?
I don't feel like I see bad.
Okay.
It's just, driving through country roads and
Mm-hmm.
I want to make sure I'm going to see when they jump in front of me.
Right, yeah, you're just more focused. You're like
Yeah.
ready for it.
Yeah.
Attack mode.
Yeah.
I gotcha. Yeah, good part of it. Let's take care. Well, if you can get yourself to do some intense hikes outside in the cold,
Yeah.
that's game changing.
Yeah. I actually don't mind hiking in the cold because I always warm up.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. I would say, you just really need a good pair of socks, good pair of gloves, a little hat, shoes, yeah.
Yeah.
And then you could just wear a sweatshirt technically. You don't need to keep your core warm. It's just the extremities warm. So you don't really need a jacket. You should try it, see how you feel, because you'll burn a ton of calories and you'll breathe more. And breathing is the key to just burning fat, detoxing the body through your breath. Getting oxygen into the body. Breathe through your nose. Get that nitric oxide activated.
Yeah, because I've just been doing like strength training with weights.
Nothing better than that.
I hate cardio. That wasn't hiking.
Use this combo of the two. Did I do the shoulder?
Yeah.
All right. So let's check Heather's posture, just see how she stands. Just breath in, breath out, kind of let your body relax. Pretty good. It's just a little bit in the neck, like she mentioned. The neck's a little tight, and you felt that in the muscles. So, yeah, right here.
That's where it should be.
Yeah. So it's just a little tight right back here. So our suboccipitals are really tight, and then what that does is it extends your head, but it also jets your chin forward too.
Oh.
So,
Yeah, because that's what I like when I
yeah,
drive.
exactly.
Yeah.
So this is what we want to focus on releasing right here. You can feel how tight that is.
Yeah.
So sometimes you can get like a little, they call it a peanut, and it's just a little like roll. It's like a taped up. It could be taped up golf balls or lacrosse balls. And you put it right here, and then you just kind of press your head. Yeah, tennis ball, sure.
Okay.
Just tape two together,
Okay.
and then place it right here. And then just try to, press your head into it on the floor.
Okay.
It's just to kind of mash this up right here. Otherwise, chin ducks. You can go against the wall and
force your head against the wall,
Oh.
and you'll feel that stretch.
Okay.